Hello, my beautiful friends. Look 30 at 60? It's possible and simple. These anti-aging masks with grapeseed oil help erase wrinkles and firm your skin, even at 70. Grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and fatty acids. It nourishes deeply, restores elasticity, and smooths fine lines. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Facial oil massage. Pure grapeseed oil. Benefits: boosts circulation, deeply nourishes, smooths, and tightens the skin. How to use: warm a few drops of grapeseed oil between your hands. Gently massage into clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands for 2 to 3 minutes. You can leave it on overnight or rinse after 40 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week for youthful, glowing skin. First recipe: smoothing and lifting. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of milk, Benefits: this mask smooths the skin, improves texture, and helps tighten sagging areas. Mix all ingredients until smooth. How to use: apply to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe: Detox and Glow Boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Crush the salt well and mix with the oil. Benefits: this scrub gently exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, and brightens the skin. How to use: apply to damp, clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for 10 more minutes. Rinse with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with a friend. Third recipe: deep nourishment and softness. 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, mix well until smooth. Benefits: this mask nourishes dry skin, softens rough areas, and boosts hydration. How to use: apply to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More anti-aging masks are coming soon. Fourth recipe: Glow and Radiance Boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. Mix the ingredients into a smooth paste. Benefits: this mask boosts glow, tightens pores, and energizes tired skin. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and finish with a splash of cool water. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: anti-aging night mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1 capsule of vitamin A, puncture the capsule, and mix the contents with the oil. Benefits: this rich treatment improves skin tone, smooths wrinkles, and supports overnight repair. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse gently, or use as a leave-on overnight treatment once a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.